Today, we're going to get into a seriously cool tool that's been quietly making waves in the world of productivity and knowledge management. I'm talking about Notebook LM. And if you're someone who deals with a lot of information, whether you're a student, content creator, researcher, or someone looking to learn more in depth about a topic or product that you are currently unfamiliar with, this could be a game changer for you. Now, Notebook LM is like having a super smart AI research assistant that lives right alongside your notes and documents. Think of it as your personal information superpower. It lets you upload all sorts of things: PDFs, Google Docs, even YouTube videos and audio files. And then it goes to work, helping you understand, summarize, and even get creative with that content. So, how can you actually use this tool in your daily life? Let's brainstorm some ideas. Imagine you're deep diving into a new hobby, let's say the fascinating world of vintage cameras. You've got articles, online guides, maybe even some old camera manuals in PDF form. Instead of spending hours sifting through everything, you can upload it all into Notebook LM. Then you can ask it direct questions like, what are the key differences between a TLR and an SLR camera? Or summarize the maintenance tips for a 1950s Rolex. Notebook LM will give you answers based specifically on the documents you uploaded and even tell you where it found that information. It's like having a knowledgeable expert instantly available, trained on your resources. But it gets even better. Let's say you're a student tackling a complex research paper. You've got tons of academic articles. Upload them to Notebook LM, and it can help you identify key themes, find connections between different papers, and even help you outline your own arguments. It's like having an AI brainstorming partner that's already read all your sources. And for the creatives out there, imagine you're a screenwriter researching a historical period. You can upload historical texts, biographies, even transcripts of documentaries. Notebook LM can help you extract key details about the time, understand the nuances of the culture, and even help you generate ideas for scenes or character development, all grounded in your research. Now, I know some of you are always thinking about how to turn your passions and knowledge into something more. So let's talk a little bit about the potential for monetizing the kind of value you can create with Notebook LM. Think about it. If you become a real expert in a niche topic using Notebook LM to organize and understand a wealth of information, you could potentially create incredible resources for others. Here are a few ideas to get your gears turning. Curated resource packages. Imagine creating a focused collection of documents on a specific topic within Notebook LM, complete with AI-generated summaries, FAQs, and key insights. You could then offer access to this knowledge hub for a one-time fee or a small subscription. Think of it as a shortcut for someone else wanting to learn about that specific area. AI-powered study guides and templates. If you're a whiz at a particular subject, you could build a Notebook LM setup with key resources and prompts designed to generate effective study guides, practice questions, and even flashcard content. You could then sell these as templates that others can adapt with their own materials. Niche information services. If you develop a deep understanding of a specific local area or a niche hobby using Notebook LM, you could potentially offer personalized information services. Imagine someone new to town asking for a curated summary of local resources based on publicly available documents you've processed in Notebook LM. And remember, these are just some ideas of how you can use this tool to build your own side hustle or side business in half the time, because Notebook LM is going to save you a huge amount of the grunt work. And as I have said before, AI is not perfect and not going to replace all the value that the human brain has to offer. It's meant to work alongside you and your own efforts in order to get the best results. So there you have it. Notebook LM is a powerful tool with tons of potential for individuals to learn, create, and even potentially monetize their knowledge. I'm really excited to see how you all might use this in your own lives. Have you experimented with Notebook LM yet? What are your initial thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear your ideas. And as always, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and productivity insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.